Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. With this video, you will get to know the list of top 20 MBA colleges with low fees. MBA guarantees you a safe and secure job, and it is also one of the safe career choices to go for. This is the reason why there are so many MBA colleges in the country. Almost all the colleges in India are offering MBA these days. Getting an MBA degree means entering the business and the management life for a prosperous future ahead. But MBA is very expensive course, and that does create a problem for a lot of students to pursue it. The fees for MBA goes into lakhs and lakhs of money, which is not possible for everyone to afford. So here in this video, I have listed the top 20 MBA colleges in India with low fee structure. Coming to the very first college is Christ University, Bangalore. So this college is an old one that got established in the year 1969. They offer MBA course in different specializations like business analytics, marketing, HR, finance and others. The entrance exams that are accepted for MBA admission in this college are CAT, XAT, MAT, ATMA and CMAT. The fees for MBA in this college is somewhat around 4.35 lakhs. The average placement starts from 6 lakhs per annum and goes up till 15 lakhs per annum. The lowest salaries are around 3 lakhs per annum. Hyundai, IBM, KPMG, Accenture, Infosys are the top companies to recruit from this college. So if you want more information with this college, then you can visit their website www.christuniversity.in. Second college is Department of Financial Studies, Delhi University. The Department of Financial Studies is the next college in the list. So this college is under Delhi University, accepts MBA admission only on the basis of CAT exam scores. It is one of the cheapest institutes in India that offer MBA in 3 lakhs and has a greatest return of investment. The average salary package from this college is 9.2 lakhs per annum, and the highest salary has gone up till 18 lakhs per annum. So investing 3 lakhs to get at least double its amount in only 1 year is definitely a sparkling deal. Axis Bank, D-Shaw, KPMG, SPI are the main recruiters of this college. So if you want more information regarding with this college, then you can visit their website mfc.edu. Coming to the third college is Tata Institute of Management Studies, TIS, Mumbai. TIS is a very reputed and famous college for MBA in India. But this college, coming under the list of top 20 MBA colleges in India with low fees, is a surprise for many. The cost of doing MBA from TIS is just around 2.38 lakhs. The quality of education this college provides is far better than lots of the other top MBA colleges. In fact, this is one of the top MBA colleges in India by all means. The placements here goes up till the CTC around 20.06 lakhs per annum. So Colgate, Taj Group, Infosys, Dell, Swiggy are the top companies to provide the placements with this college. So this college is best known for the MBA in HR. If you want more information related with this college, then you can visit their website www.tis.edu. Coming to the next college is Delhi Technical University, DTU, Delhi. This college offers admission in MBA on the basis of CAT scores. This college is famous for having one of the best MBA faculty in the country. It is known for their faculty status only. The cost at which this college provides MBA is around 3.56 lakhs, which is affordable for this course. The average salary package through this college goes around 6.4 lakhs per annum, and the top recruiters from this college are HP, SCL, Amazon, Genpact, Vivo, S-Bank and lots more. So if you want more information related with this college, then you can visit the website also dtu.ac.in. Next college is Department of Management Sciences, Pumba, Pune. The Pune University Department of Management Sciences or Pune University MBA is one of the best places to pursue MBA from in India. This is definitely one of the top 20 MBA colleges in India with low fees. This is affiliated to the University of Pune and offers MBA for as low as 1.33 lakhs. To get an admission in this college, you have to attempt the entrance examinations like CAT, MAT, XAT, CMAT, CET, ATMA and MAH. The placements offered by the college starts from around 6.4 lakhs per annum. Croma, Bajaj, Finserv, Aditya Birla Group are some of the top companies to recruit from this campus. So if you want more information related with this, then you can visit the website www.pumbaa.in. Next college is Jamnalal Bajaj Institute of Management Studies, JBIMS, Mumbai. So, Jamnalal Bajaj Institute of Management Studies, JBIMS, founded in the year 1965, it is a college affiliated to Mumbai University. The cost of doing MBA from this college is around 3 lakhs. ATMA, MAH, CAT, MAT, CET are the exams whose scores are accepted for an admission in this college. The highest package offered by the college is over 17 lakhs per annum. This shows that the return of investment can get as high as 6 times of the investment. Indian Express, Godrej, Vodafone, Bisleri, HSBC are the top companies to recruit from this college. So if you want more information related with this, then you can visit their website jbims.edu. Next college is Faculty of Management Studies, FMS, Delhi University. So FMS is one of the best business school in India. This university is affiliated to Delhi University and is one of the best places to pursue MBA from. CAT exam scores are accepted for an admission in this college. The average salary package offered by the college is around 23.2 lakhs per annum. Nestle, Paytm, SBI, HSBC, IBM, PepsiCo are some of the companies to recruit from the campus. So if you want to know more about this college, then you can visit their website www.fms.edu. Next college is Ambedkar University, Delhi. So the fees for doing MBA from this college is around 3 lakhs rupees. It is a public university that got established in the year 2007. The campus of the college is beautiful one and that is fully Wi-Fi enabled, and their classrooms have audio visual system along with the modern projectors. They offer MBA in the disciplines like HRM, marketing, finance and operations. The average CTC offered by the college is around 6 lakhs per annum. The highest CTC offered is around 10 lakhs per annum. If you want to know more about this college, then you can just visit their website aud.ac.in. Next college is Simsri, Mumbai. So the fees to do an MBA in Simsri, Mumbai is around 1.58 lakhs. MAT, ZAT, CAT, ATMA, CMAT, MHT, CET are the top exams that need to be cleared to get an admission in this college. It is a public government college that offers MBA and PGDM courses. The median salary offered by the college is nearly up to 10.02 lakhs per annum. The highest domestic package is 17 lakhs per annum and the highest international package is 19 lakhs per annum. So if you want to know more about this college, then you can just visit their website www.simsri.org. Next is Chandigarh University. So the fees for doing MBA in this college is around 3 lakhs. The highest CTC offered to do the MBA is 28 lakhs per annum, which is crazy against the fee whatever you are paying. The average salary package to this college is 12 lakhs per annum. If you want to know more about this, then you can visit their website www.cuchd.in. Next college is International School of Management and Research, Pune. So this college is one of the premier business school of India. They offer MBA and PGDM courses in various disciplines. The fees of MBA in this college is 3 lakhs rupees. CAT, MAT, SNAP, CMAT, ATMA, MAH, CET are the exams through which this college accepts admission. The average salary of this college is 5.5 lakhs per annum and the highest salary package through this college is 15 lakhs per annum. If you want to know more about this college, you can visit their website www.icmrpune.edu.in. Next college is Indira Institute of Management, IIMP, Pune. Indira College of Pune is one of the most famous MBA colleges of the city. It is more famous because it is one of the top 20 MBA colleges in India with low fees in India. Their fees is only around 4 lakhs, which is great as per their academic excellence and placements. This college got established in the year 1994. The disciplines in which they offer MBA are HR, Finance, Marketing and others. The average salary package through this college is 5.5 lakhs per annum. Wipro, Deloitte, Angel Broking, eClerx are some of the top companies to recruit from this college. So if you want to know more about this, then you can visit their website indira.iimp.edu.in. Next college is ASMS, Institute of Business Management and Research, IBMR, Pune. So another college in a row in our list of top 20 MBA colleges in India is IBMR, Pune. It is a private college that got established in the year 1984. This college has a grade of A++ by Business Standard. All India Management Association has ranked this college in the first place. The fees of this college is 3 lakhs for MBA. The highest salary package offered by the IBMR is 12 lakhs per annum, which is 4 times the amount whatever you are investing to do your MBA. And if you want to know more about this college, then you can just visit their website asmibmr.edu.in. Next college is AIMS, Institute of Management Studies, Pune. So this college has been awarded with the title of Best Innovative Management Institute in Pune by the World Education Summit. The fees for MBA in this college is around 3.69 lakhs per annum. They offer MBA in lot of discipline in combination with other subjects as well. The average salary package for this college is 6 lakhs per annum. They also have academic collaborations with TISS. So this is the another good college you can consider with low fee structure. If you want to know more about this college, then you can visit their website aimsinstitute.in. Next college is MIT, Pune. So with this college you can complete your MBA in 3.50 lakhs. They have a high class and expert faculty in the business department. The placements of MIT is one of the best in the country in MBA. The average salary given to the MBA students is over 4 lakhs per annum at the top MNCs of the country. So if you want to know more about MIT, you can visit their website mitwpu.edu.in. Next college is Doon Business School, DBS, Dehradun. So this is also one of the good business school you can consider with. This college is affiliated to the Uttarakhand Technical University. It is also one of the good college for the MBA. The average salary given to the students with this college is 7.4 lakhs per annum, and the highest salary offered by this college is 23.5 lakhs per annum. This is against the fee of 4.52 lakhs. MAT, CAT, CMAT, XAT, GMAT are the exam scores approved by this college. Most of the Uttarakhand students who wish to pursue MBA into this college for an amazing career ahead. So if you want to know more about this college, you can visit their website www.doonbusinessschool.com. Next college is James B School, Bangalore. So this college was established in the year 2006 and it is awarded for the most preferred B school for placement with an award. The accepted exam for MBA in this college is their own university exam called James Online Admission Test. They guarantee 100% placements, which is evident with their award. Capgemini, Airtel, TCS, Accenture and Vodafone are the top companies to recruit students from this college. Their MBA fee is 4.20 lakhs. So if you want to know more about this college, you can visit their website www.jamesbschool.com. Next college is Galgotias University, Noida. The MBA fee in this college is around 4.47 lakhs. They offer MBA in healthcare and hospital management, and there are other streams as well like finance, HR, marketing. This university is established in the year 2011. Their placement record is 100% with more than 450 multinational companies visiting the campus for drives. It is one of the top 20 MBA colleges in India with low fees. MAT, NMAT, CAT, CMAT and GMAT are the exams approved in this college for an MBA admission. They offer MBA in financial management, aviation management, logistics and supply chain management and lots of other disciplines too. So if you want to know more about this college, so you can visit their website www.galgotiauniversity.edu.in. Next college is BK School of Management. So this is another good college you can consider with. They offer MBA in just rupees 80,000. This college is located in Ahmedabad and it was established in the year 1976. So they offer MBA in 14 streams and there has a lot of choice. CMAT and CAT are the entrance examinations that need to be given to get the admission in this college. HDFC, Amul, Adani, Vodafone, ITC are some of the top recruiters from the campus. The median salary offered to the students is somewhere in between 4 to 5 lakhs per annum. The highest salary has even gone up to 20 lakhs per annum. If you want to know more about this college, then you can visit their website bkschool.org.in. Next college is Maharshi Dayanand University, MDU, Rohtak. So it is an UGC approved college. It is a member of AIU also. MBA in this college is offered at a fees of 85,000 rupees. Their NAC accreditation is an A+ grade and their NRF ranking is 76. They offer MBA in general category, business economics, MBA honors, hotel management and catering technology, and lots more disciplines are over there. The median salary offered to the MBA and PGDM students is somewhere in between 4.5 to 6.6 lakhs per annum. This itself is 4 times than the money you have invested. Most of the students back this offer with guarantee. Lots of top MNCs visits this campus to recruit the students every year. Some of the top names are Accenture, Capgemini, TCS, Tata Motors, L&T and lots more. So if you want to know more about this college, you can visit their website mdu.ac.in. So this is the list of 20 MBA colleges. Fees should not be a problem for you if you want to do MBA. So that is the reason this is the list of 20 MBA colleges with low fees. The fees of all these colleges are extremely low as compared to the other famous colleges. This does not mean that there is an issue in the quality of education. The quality of education in all colleges is of best level with the good placements. So I wish you all the very best for your career. If you have any questions related with any college, then you can just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video helpful, then do like the video and subscribe the channel.